Smith yn tipu Redmond. Lawr y chwith, bas da i mewn i Bores. Mendes rwan. Groesiad ddifn. Teg at Venables, mae'n cael ei dynnu nôl. Os a gic o'r Smotyn. Oes ma na, dwi'n meddwl. Y dyfarnwr cynorthwyol sydd wedi gwneud y penderfyniad. A Venables gafodd ei dynnu nôl. Venables yn erbyn Harrison. Venables drwy'r canol, dim gobaith i Harrison. 1 munud ar 15 o'r gêm di chwarae. Dadleuol efalla. Ond i Colin Kitten yn poeni dim. Astles, rediad Clark o ganol y cae ôl beniad i lwybr Brobl. Yn y cwrt Cosby. Brobl, beth ym di beisydden, mae'n disgyn o'r ddau yn erbyn ei gilydd ar ergyd gan McManus ar bediad o Dido gan y golwr Harry Lloyd. Oedd hi syth ato fo'n dydd i chwifio bob ffordd. Taran o ergyd gan Declan McManus. Bores ymlaen. Venables ma ti cefn. 1, beth i fynd heibio'r llall. Yn bas Blair gan Marriott. Mae Rutherford yn sgwar cyfle i ddeblu'r fantais. Rutherford ar bediad wych gan Harrison yn rhithro allan. A faint o bwysig fydd hwnna ar ddiwedd y noson a hefyd ar ddiwedd y tymor. Camgymeriad erchyll gan Marriott. Venables yn rhyddhau Paul Rutherford. A dylia fo wedi gwneud tipyn gwell na nath o. Fyny tuag at Brobl. Mlaen ar y cyffyrddiau cyntaf i McManus, mae dan bwysau gan Smith. Nôl i Brobl. Brobl yn chrymanu hi! Yn gelfydd! Heibio'r golwr Harry Lloyd, dim gobaith wrth iddi wipio. Heibio i ddod ar Seintia newydd yn gyfartal. 9 munud o'r 90 yn weddill. Mae'n gol gyntaf o'r tymor i Brobl. Brobl, groesiad i mewn, teg at Robles. Cyfle euraidd i'r ymysodwr. Gynto'r bala. Yn y cyfle euraidd i roi Seintia ar y blaen. Astles. Ymlaen i Davies. Bydd yn torri mewn i Bay Smith. Dan Davies ar ergyd o'r bediad o Didog gan Harry Lloyd. Nid am y tro cyntaf heno. Siawns gen i diachu pwynt i'w dîm. Ergyd rymus gan Davies. Ond mi oedd Lloyd ar flaenau draed. McManus. Groesiad ddim. A Brobl dod i mewn. A mae wedi ennill y gêm. Ryan Brobl i'r Seintia newydd. Ail o'r noson i Brobl. Ail o'r noson i'r Seintia. Y bala yn cael ei dal yn cysgu o'r dafliad yn y gornel. A da ni wedi cael 5 munud dros y 90. Hwna wedi sicrhau y fuddugoliaeth i dîm Anthony Limbrick.
Anthony, not a bad way to win a football match.
Yeah, I mean, look, it was exciting at the end there. I think we pushed to the end. Credit to the players. I mean, they just absolutely never gave up. One thing I would say is I thought Bala deserved something, if not the win in the game. I thought they were outstanding. I thought first half we really struggled to get close to them. They did a proper job on us tactically. I thought physically they were good. And I think Colin's done a fantastic job there, and they're going to be right up there this season. And we changed a few things at half-time, and I must say for the players, fantastic for them and really pleased for them because they did keep going to the end. And yeah, we're really happy with the result. And sometimes I think if you want to try and improve on last season where we come second, and we have done for the last 2 years now, that things need to change, and being able to grind out that result was very pleasing.
A great performance, but it's no good coming here and saying it's a great performance and you lose it. We've got no points on the board, so it's no good. We're better than that, and you know. But against the full-time team. Our injury list, you know, it's like the walking wounded now. So see if we can get a team for Saturday. But with 5 out tonight, and then there'll be a few more after tonight. Can't fault the lads, but you know we've got to turn the effort and the performances into points.
Yeah, first goals of the season for yourself. Crack over the first one.
Yeah, it wasn't bad, was it? But yeah, nice to get on the score sheet eventually. Obviously, I've had a few injury problems at the start of the season. We played the last couple of games, so yeah, nice to get on the score sheet.